Hello my dear students, I hope you solve word problems on multiplication. Today we are going to start a division. As you are aware about division, division is nothing but an inverse process of multiplication. Right? It's very easy. If you will see the division facts, then you will notice that, let's take an example. For example, six multiplied by 4. What is the answer? Here also you need tables. Understand? 6 4s are 24. Right? Now see. 24 divided by 4. I will write 24 divided by 4. The quotient is 6. Right? And 24 divided by now 6. The quotient will be 4. 2, we get 2 division facts. Right? Division is nothing but it is an inverse process of multiplication. Understand? But here it is not, it is except 0 and the number by itself. Right? Let's see. Suppose 0 multiplied by 2. 0 multiplied by 2. Answer is 0. But we cannot write like this. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Right. But 2 we cannot write this one. 0 divided by 0 is not equal to 2. This is wrong. And in the number itself we will see multiplication of a number by a number. Suppose 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9, but we cannot write like this. We can write like this. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Only one fact. Understand? Again 9 divided by 3, answer same. Got it? So what is division? Division is nothing but it's an inverse process of multiplication. Understand? Now we will see the properties of multiplications. Right? Sorry, properties of division. Properties of division. First property, the property of 0. If a number is divided by 1, if a number is divided by 1, if a number is divided by 1, if we divide a number by 1, then the answer will be the number itself. What will be the answer? Or we can say the answer means here quotient. The quotient is the number itself. Let's take example. $3,792 divided by 1. How we will divide? Like this: 3792 divided by 1. 1 3 is 3. Then next digit 1 7 is 7. Then we are putting next digit, that is 9. Then 1 9 is 9. Then 2. 1 2 is 2. Is the answer same? Yes, this is our first property. If a number is divided by 1, the quotient, this is called quotient, is the number itself. Same. Understand? This is the first property. If a number is, you have to write these properties given in your notebook, page number 40. You have to learn the property and write in your notebook. Okay, after this video. This is the first property. Property 1. Then if a number is divided by itself, then if a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is always 1. Understand? Except when 0 is divided by 0, right? 0 0 the 0 will come. Except this 0, remaining all numbers, if we divide by number itself, then the quotient or answer will be 1. Let's see one example. $439 divided by 439. See, divided by 439. 439 3 digits, so focus on 3 digits. 439 ones are 439. 9 minus 9 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 4 0. What is the quotient or answer? That is 1. Means the second property of division, if a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is always 1 except 0. Understand? This is the second property of division. Now third, division of a number division of a number by 0 is not possible. Division of a number by 0 is not possible. Let's take example, your idea will clear. Suppose 379 divided by 0 is not possible. This is not possible. Understand? 6,39,403 divided by 0 also not possible. Got it? Now division of next division of 0 division of 0 by a number is always 0. Division of a 0 by a number is always 0 other than 0. Okay, let's take example. 0 divided by 7 is equal to 0, or 0 divided by 1249 is equal to also 0. Understand? These are the properties of division, right? Then see, which are the terms related to division. We saw in addition, term related to addition. Which are the terms related to addition? Addends are there and the result will be sum. In subtraction, we saw minuend and subtrahend, the result will be what will be the result? Difference is the result. Then in multiplication, multiplicand and multiplier, the result is product. And in division, we will see in division which are the terms associated with division with the help of one example. Okay, then you will understand well. Let's take one example. 622 divided by suppose 12. Okay, how we are dividing? 622 divided by 12. 12, 2-digit number, so focus on 2-digit. 12, 2s are, 12 3s are, 12 4s are, 12 5s are, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72 is bigger than this. So 12 5s are 60, 2 here, 0 here. Is it possible? We cannot subtract this bigger number from the smaller number, but we have another number here, 2. Put 2 down. 12 2s are, 12 3s are, 12 2s are 24. Bigger number. So 12 1s are 12. 0 1. Now this is called this inner I wrote, or this the first term, we call it as a dividend. We call it as a dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E and D, dividend. Whichever we are dividing this dividend by this number, so this 12 is called divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. And by dividing the dividend by divisor, we will get upside the answer, that we call it as quotient. Learn the spellings, and whichever the downside is there, we call it as remainder. Understand? So dividend which we are dividing, divisor by which we are dividing, whichever answer will come, we call it as a quotient upper side, and downside whichever the remain, that is we call it as a remainder. These are the four terms related to division. Understand? So I already told you these are the inverse proportion of multiplication. Division is an inverse proportion of multiplication. Now if you multiply this divisor and quotient, if you multiply divisor and quotient and if you add remainder in that, you will get dividend, and when you will get dividend, then your answer will, you can say that right. That's why there is a checking formula. You can write down in notebook also. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. येत आहे का सर? हां, फिरवा तिकडे थोडं. Quotient plus remainder. Yes, understand? This is a formula by which we can check our answer. Understand? Let's in next video we will see division by one digit number and two digit number, how to divide. As you know the division, but still we will see one digit division by one digit, two digit, three digit, four digit. Okay, till then, thank you.